Ano yun, Brad?
This weather vane was installed at the top of the lighthouse in 1846. Weather vane.
This weather vane. 1846. Kaya nakababa na.
Amazing experience na makakayat sa tuktok ng Bermuda at makita ang pinakamagandang view.
Ayun. Pakita natin yung view. Ay, yung ano, yung lighthouse.
View ng Bermuda.
Ayun. Ang lighthouse.
Shops, souvenirs, restrooms, tickets and info. Lighthouse entrance there. Welcome, Gibbs Hill Lighthouse. $10.
Mugs. Sombrero. $15.